Hi everyone, this is Charmaine. I'm the founder and Chief Digital Marketing Officer at Sky Digital Agency. In today's video, I'd like to share with you a story that I always share with participants who tell me that I think I'm too late to the game, Charmaine. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, for some, maybe they even feel that they are too late to the TikTok game. So I just want to share with you this story about two friends that went to a jungle. They went for a hike, and halfway through the hike, they actually met a tiger. So what happened was that the tiger was actually staring at them, and before the tiger was about to pounce on them, this friend turned to his friend and asked, "Do you think we should try to make a run for it?" And the friend, of course, turned around and said, "I think we should." But immediately after he replied his friend that he thinks that they should make a run for it, he also stood down and tied his shoelace together. So he retied his shoelace, and as he was retying his shoelace, the friend looked back at him and said, "Are you crazy? The tiger is just going to eat you up." So what he then looked up and replied to him, his friend, was that actually he said that, "By the way, I don't have to run faster than the tiger. I just have to run faster than you." So the moral of the story is not to leave our friends behind, but the moral of the story is to just get started, and we are always faster than someone else who has not gotten started. And the thing about all these social media and digital marketing platforms is that there are many of us out there who are early adopters maybe, and whenever there's a new platform, we will actually go out and try it, and we leverage on we're still figuring out, right? But we leverage on the growth because we are willing to give it a try. So there are others, even like myself, we are sometimes not the early adopters, but we do go into it, and many a times when we look back, it's actually faster than many other people. So I just want to share with you because it takes a lot of consistency and just getting out there to do what you wanted to do, not really always just looking at other people's success, but that is your benchmark on what you're trying to achieve. But don't forget the fundamentals of why you get started, and the reason for getting started is because you want to share your knowledge out there, you want to brand yourself, you want to position yourself to be the knowledge expert in your industry. All right, so I encourage you to get started on anything, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or even TikTok. Right? For myself, I also just gotten started on TikTok, and they actually reached out to me to say that some of our contents are quite good. So, and we are encouraged, right? Because we just started on late August, 24th August, I think it was my first video up on TikTok. And, they just reached out to us like close to 1.5, 2 weeks later. So that's an encouragement for you to get started, okay? Education content on TikTok, they are definitely looking at it. It's just that it takes practice to keep your content under a minute. All right. We also only started Instagram in 2017, and only after a year, when we figured out and we're more confident, then we offered the courses, right, to the public to kind of help them out on getting started and growing their Instagram. We also only gotten started with YouTube only in 2018 as well. So at that point of time, we were not posting every single week. We were only posting once or twice a month. So only when we started in kind of the third quarter of 2019 to be able to post once a week, then we started to see some growth. But majority of the growth came in 2020 during the COVID-19, especially circuit breaker in Singapore. So I just want to let you know that as you practice your skills, you position yourself to be ready for this sort of growth that can happen. All right, and people look out for you, people appreciate your content, and when they are ready, they will purchase with you as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video encourages you to get started. You're never too late, so long as you get started, because there are other people out there who have not gotten started till today. All right, so thank you so much, and I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing you at my next video.